Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will teach you how to make a hotspot at internet and wireless. So first, connect your MikroTik to your laptop, and after that, connect to Windows and to Winbox. After that, go to IP hotspot. Here. There is hotspot server, and go to hotspot setup. Setup on either two. First, we will set up a spot on either two first. Next, next. Certificate, just select none. Next, DNS server, you can use Google's server. Eight. DNS name, this is like you open website, you can enter google.com. So DNS name, like that's at google.com. Let's try Google, no, google.com. Next, this is a user for the first user. Let's try admin123. After this, disconnect your internet and then connect again. Go to your browser and then open your MikroTik IP 192.168.88.1. See google.com and continue the site. Now we just make the what is this? Login page. Try to forget password. You can ask someone here and then fill the username with username just secret that is admin, and the username is 123. That connect. You can see, hi admin, your IP address is 254, and then you just make 15 bytes. You just connect for 0 seconds, and this page will refresh after 1 minute. See, after that you can go back to your Winbox and you will connect. Now we will create hotspot for wireless. We will disable for either two. First remove it. Like we make hotspot for internet, that is hotspot setup, run at VLAN 2, and next make sure it same like your VLAN network. Okay, before this, for make it easy, because the virtual wireless is likely crashing, we will remove it and we will reset the configuration for the wireless. We will make it for upper bridge. So now we have a new Wi-Fi here, but there is no internet. Oh yeah, enable first. I forgot. See, there is MikroTik. Let's try to connect. You can see there is TX and RX. TX mean send and RX mean receive. You can see now it's connect. See at the HTTP server. Unknown. What is this? I don't know. Let's see at least. Let's go on. Oh yeah, setup for VLAN 1. Next. Ah, I forgot to set the address. Okay, maybe we just use the interface VLAN 2 will remove to. Let's try to connect and disconnect and connect again and connect again into MikroTik. Make sure it has the 76 IP. See, now we have 76.2 IP. Okay, so it worked just fine. Go back to hotspot and hotspot setup. Run it at VLAN 1, select none, just next, and give the next name. Maybe we will try another, like runnycrosssoft.com. In the next, comment successfully. And now we will try to disconnect and connect again. If you're using Windows, you will from here to go to browser, or if not, you can go to by yourself, go to your what is it, your browser, and type the DNS name, or you can type your IP address of your router 192.68.76.1. Continue the site, and you can see there is connect to your Wi-Fi, fill the username and the password. Now it's connect again. If you make the NAT for your router, you will get internet because you just create mesh secured network. I think that's enough for today's episode. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.